Chilly this morning.
Another cold morning.
Okay, alright. Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Okay, we'll see you shortly.
Yes, thank you.
Enjoy
Cheers.
coffee. Yeah.
Alright.
Morning.
Morning.
Very chilly morning.
Yeah. Last morning. Yeah, at Dinaka.
Dinaka. Oh my lord.
We've just arrived at what is it called? The bunker.
The bunker.
The bunker on our last drive.
It's been quiet.
Quiet.
And windy. Hopefully you can hear us.
The wind has picked up quite a bit. Bit different today. No crazy sightings. Yeah, I don't know what else to
I
say.
don't know. We're going to have to see now what we see at the bunker, and then hopefully on the way back we see something. Right? Nice and quiet, but very windy today. And with all the sand, it's very like, woo.
Yeah,
But anyway.
but we'll chat again soon.
to camp after quite a long morning actually. It was rather uneventful until right at the end, Murphy's Law, but then we had to rush back to camp because now it's time to pack up and got about 10 minutes until we have to go get to the airstrip for our flight at noon. So we're all packed up. The room is looking quite empty now. But yeah, on to the next camp. Bit sad to be leaving, but very excited to see what Moremi has to offer. Thank you. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Cool.
Yeah, very cool.
We gotta see some crazy birds in here.
Yeah, hopefully. Oh wow, very cool structures.
Yeah, you have a curio shop over there.
Cool.
You have the restroom this side.
Okay. Oh wow, that's incredible.
In here is the main area.
That's so nice. Wow. Oh, so pretty. Lovely. Hi, how's it going?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
There's a launch area.
Oh, gorgeous.
Would you like to have a sit while I tell you a little bit about the camp?
Sure.
After that, I can take you to go see a room.
Okay. Oh my gosh, yay. So cool. Thank you. Oh my gosh, wow.
We have arrived at Okuti Game Lodge.
Amazing.
Absolutely amazing.
Very cool.
So
Very different to where we've just been.
completely.
So different. Chalk and cheese.
My eyes don't know what to look at now because now it's tall trees and
Very,
Mompani bushes. It's pretty awesome. So we've arrived just before high tea.
Which is served at Hoppers 3.
Hoppers 3, and then 4 p.m. is the activity, the afternoon activity. Here you've got 2 choices. It's either a game drive or a water cruise. I think we're going to do the game drive.
Game drive for now.
Yeah, just to feel it out. We've also got another couple that's going to be with us on our activities. Funny enough, also honeymooners. We don't know where they're from, but yeah, I mean, that's cool.
Nice, a very nice, smooth, well, not too smooth, but the flight was very cool.
Yeah,
much bigger plane than the first one.
Good plane, well, bigger plane, smoother flight, even though it was very windy leaving.
So windy in the Kalahari.
But yeah, all good.
We even got to see Ellie's from the plane, which is cool.
Yeah.
Very cool.
And it was actually quite interesting. So it's worth mentioning how you can literally see the Kalahari end and the delta begin. It just goes from like brown to green.
Diverse.
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
And it was about a 30-minute drive from the airport to here, and it's just so different.
Yeah, we didn't realize Moremi Game Reserve is actually, you can self-drive here too. It's open to the public,
yeah, so
which
that's
is very cool. Whereas Danaka was in a private concession.
So we definitely will try get some clips maybe of the campsites and that, just for those interested.
It's very interesting. A lot busier here, a lot more lively, a lot more people in camp. Which is nice. It's a nice change. We loved Danaka, it was amazing, but it's nice to have a change up.
Yeah,
it's cool.
But yeah, I think our eyes need to adjust to the landscape a little bit. We're now in the land of very tall trees and water and reeds, so I
bet we're going to be sick of seeing elephant by the end of it. I think we came across 10 different Ellies on the way to camp.
It's honestly not that it's better or worse, but it's cool. Apples to oranges. It's a completely different environment.
Yeah. And then we got taken to our room, and whoa, it's so nice.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
So we just got our first walk around literally a couple minutes ago. Yeah. So I'm gonna give you the tour.
I'll show you before we wreck it with all of us.
Yeah, so excuse me if I get lost, but yeah, we've only just moved in.
Let me show you.
Alright. So this is as you walk in the door.
So here's the door.
All of this. We'll get to the bedroom now. Let's show you the...
it's all like dome tents almost. Yeah. Very cool.
Let's show you the necessities first. So through here is the little basin and vanity area. What more could you ask for? Just a toilet, nothing crazy here.
I just love the design. The design of this place is so cool.
Very modular, and indoor shower.
So cool.
Okay.
Very cool.
And a huge.
Yeah, it's massive.
Shower. I mean, you could shower and swing a cat in here if you really wanted to.
It's very nice, and then you kind of look up into the trees.
Beautiful. Okay. A bit more closet space too, which is nice. This is your desk and also your charge station.
Similar to Danaka.
Yeah.
And then same plug points and everything.
Very similar.
Very nice that they've got it all set up.
There is a hair dryer in there. And then
water station like Danaka had.
You go through to the bedrooms. And that's like a super king.
Yeah, it's huge. It's massive.
That's really big. Once again, mosquito netting.
It's lovely, and the
yeah,
view
you'd probably need to shower a little bit more, although there hasn't been any warnings or anything. Fan, seating area, and a balcony with a gorgeous view.
Yeah, you can probably see main camp. I mean, I know you can't. That's where all the boats leave from.
Yeah. And if you look, good privacy from the other camps, which is nice.
They're a lot closer together than Danaka was.
Closer together, but
yeah, still very private. I mean, you can't see anything from other campers. Cool. Anyway, we'll take you on our afternoon game drive when we get there. We're going to quickly unpack a little bit, and then we'll see you on the game drive.
Cheers.
Cheers. One thing we're just busy unpacking we forgot to show you. Also, if you're into fitness, this camp has stuff that you can do a little bit of your own exercise stuff, so that's quite nice. We probably won't be using it, but for those who do exercise quite a bit while they're on vacation, this. Very, very cool. And also, we didn't actually show you in Danaka. Where did these come in all the camps, all the rooms? So it's obviously peaceful sleep. So it's good to know that if you're planning a trip and you don't want to have to bring this in your bag, because it can be quite bulky to bring. But it's insect repellent, bug spray, and then a little horn for any warnings, like if you get, I don't know, you see a lion or something, they were kind of saying. So for any emergencies, you use the horn. And they said needing a GNT is not an emergency. So yeah, that they also had that at Danaka. We actually forgot to show, but yeah, seems like they do that at all the camps, which is great. Good to know if you're planning a trip out to Botswana.
Do you know how you can
It's
tell
more like,
where the elephant was going?
I would say he's going that way.
Maybe because it goes like this, like the deeper part is in the front.
Yeah, so that's where they go with the sand. The sand will just kick, like, just like us when we move. We just kick the sand towards where we go.
We came across these dead mopani trees all over the place and learned that what was once an area thriving with living mopani trees, as the years move on, the floods affect different areas of the delta, and the land naturally becomes waterlogged during these floods, which the mopanis cannot survive in, and therefore die off, leaving these large areas of dead forests. It is just so captivating learning how the floods affect the Okavango Delta in such various ways. Oh, got him. Oh, look how they lie down. They're like, never mind, off you go. Thanks for watching day 4 of our Botswana honeymoon. Keep following along for a very exciting day 5 coming up. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. See you all in the next one.